Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I'm here at the gym with my amazing fiance in the morning. The markets are getting nuked right now. Bitcoin dropping massively, altcoins dropping because of Binance and CZ and SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried from FTT. They had a tiff on Twitter and they were like kind of firing back at each other. Sam assured everyone that the market will stay steady, that FTX could survive this dump, but then last night it broke the 22 support and free fall. Monado or Sam's other companies selling a lot of assets, and this is normal. This is what I talked about in yesterday's video. If you try to, if people panic and they start getting out of an exchange because they fear that exchange will go down, it creates a self-fulfilling prophecy. They panic, they think the market is going to drop, the exchange is dangerous, they start pulling out all their money. The exchange never will have enough, it's called a bank run. They will never have enough liquidity to be paying out everyone all at one go. And by doing that, it creates, it's self-fulfilling, creates the exchange tumbling. And that's what's happening. You can see here now the market being evaporated. Huge drops. FTT down 29% from yesterday. 29% drop is massive. Bit token also down 8%. Monado selling a bunch of coins that it holds. Doge down 10%, CRV down 10%, Solana 11%, Shiba 8%, Uniswap 8%, DeFi, they just decimated the space. Sand, Ethereum down 6%, Tesla 5%. Yesterday, Tesla also coming down to a place that I'm getting ready to buy, but we'll go over that more. Bitcoin down 4.2%. So just a huge drop overall in the markets. They just pretty much nuked it. And Bitcoin also breaking down out of this rising wedge, rising kind of triangle, and now free falling as well. Bitcoin taking a big hit, which is not good. This is just looking bad in the markets. Bitcoin has a strong support here, but most likely it's going to touch this blue line with this free fall. We broke out of this rising wedge and free falling. The big blue trend line is we're back in that channel again, unfortunately. We're back in this channel between 18,200 and 22,800. 18,200, we're back in this channel. So most likely it's going to come down to this support, which is quite a big drop from where we are right now. And there is a lot of support here though. There's a really strong support. So most likely we could get a bounce here, but the daily stochastic was very overbought and it's still heading down. So most likely we're going to be dropping further from here. It's on a very strong support. Let's go on the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, we're very oversold. On the hourly, it's extremely oversold as well. We've got a strong bounce from this support, so I would go long here actually. I would take a long here. That drop is finished. Why? Because it could be finished. It can come down to the blue line. But you can see here that this distance is normally how far we drop. Actually, it's got more. But very little movement left. So, I don't know. From here, it's on a lot of support here. It's too strong a support here, but the market is looking weak. I would finish this short going down to the blue. So I would short from here. It's oversold on the 4 hourly, but not on the daily. So I would short from here, very tight stop loss, and take profit at the bottom of the blue channel. That gives us a 7.85 risk to reward ratio trade, risking 184 to make 1,446. With 10x leverage, that would be $14,460 of profits. That's a trade I would open now. Shorting where we are, stop loss at 19,850, take profit at 18,221. This is the trade that I would take right now on Bitcoin. And if you want to trade Bitcoin, a safe exchange that I use, if you're worried about FTT, if you're worried about other exchanges, I use this exchange. You can go down below and you can sign up to Bybit. You get now the bonus has gone up to $30,000 actually of bonuses. That's the maximum bonus that you can get when you meet all their requirements. So I would go down, use this description. If you've been using other exchanges, if you're worried about FTT crashing, you can use this exchange, Bybit. It's the second biggest exchange when it comes to derivatives volume and Bitcoin volume. Using that link, you can go up to now, instead of $4,450 bonuses, you can go up to $30,000 worth of bonuses when you meet all their requirements using this link down below, which is beautiful. You can also buy MCRT on here, and MCRT is holding up really well on this dump. You can see here, MCRT is only down 0.43. it's actually leading the market of all the altcoins. You can see of all altcoins, MCRT is holding up the best compared to the rest of the market. BNB 5%, Bitcoin 4%, total market cap 5%, Cake 6%, Near 7%, Ethereum 6%, Sand 8%. Everything dropping massively, but MCRT is holding on amazingly well. And I'm going to buy MCRT on Bybit. I do daily buys of around $1,000 a day. You can see here that I have around 6.9 million MCRT in this account, $55,000 worth, and I've been buying every day for the last few weeks. It's a newly listed token on Bybit, so I'm going to buy another $1,000 of this. And you have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. And again, this is my token. Crypto is dangerous. Keep that in mind. But this is what I'm doing in the markets. $1,000 gets me 125,000 MCRT. Buy, so I'm buying another $1,000. I'm actually the founder, so I have 10% of this, the total circulating supply vested over years, and I'm not going to be selling that supply until we hit my first sales targets are going to be at $1. But I have been buying because I think we're very cheap here. I have 181,000 in this account, and I've got around 6.9 million MCRT now, which is adding. And again, you have to do your own due diligence, but MCRT is gaining a lot of transaction, and I use traction. You can use this Bybit link down below. Let's see what else we got here in the markets. There's now MagicCraft content creation contest. You can create content, let us know, and receive MCRT rewards. This is the Archer, the NFT Archer that's coming to life, and a lot of NFTs have been selling lately. You need the NFT to play the game at beta.magicraft.io, so a lot of people have been joining. I followed a lot of crypto traders and can vouch that you're definitely up there in the best of the best. Thanks you for your work. Keep doing your work. Thank you, Leshe. Thanks for the video, James. I followed your long trade yesterday, made some few dollars. That was a few days ago. This student was up 136% on Ethereum. MCRT, this is one of the characters, Zap. This is the cards, the characters that you can use in the game. And I'll show you some of the gameplay footage again of the game. You can see here, this is us at an event, and you can see here people playing the game. And the game is on iOS and Android, and soon will be coming to PC. We will be announcing soon the PC version of the game. This was me on stage. And don't forget, join me on AIBC in Malta on the 14th of November. I'll be in Malta speaking at the conference as well and representing MagicCraft and Web3. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.